Hey guys, we're back for another top kitchen tip. This week I'd like to talk to you about choosing a builder for your project. A lot of the customers that we work with are having major building works as part of their project, whether that's an extension, a side return or a complete refurbishment of their property. Choosing a builder is really important for lots of reasons, not just cost, but also making sure you're getting the right quality of work and getting the value for your money. So we've got a few top tips in terms of choosing a builder that should help you on the right path. First of these is about a recommendation. You know, most of us live on a street where there has been major build works done, or we've got a friend who's had building works done. Make sure you're asking these people who they used and what their experience was with that builder. Having a recommendation can be really good for you, because at least that way you've got a solid example of their work from somebody that you know and trust. Tip number 2 is to make sure you get more than one quote. Don't just put all your eggs in one basket. Do shop around and make sure you're comparing the quotes. We're not just talking about comparing cost, we're talking about comparing what is actually detailed within that quote as well. And make sure you are getting an itemised quotation wherever possible that has a full list of works included. The third tip is to go and see previous work of these builders. Like with a recommendation, it's quite easy for you to go and have a look at the work they've done in the past. If it's a builder that you're finding on the internet, or found through seeing their van driving down your street, ask them to have the contact details of some customers they've worked with previously and go and visit those properties. Make sure you have a look at the quality of the work, but also asking those customers about their experience with the builder, were there any problems, how were those overcome, and how was the actual final price compared to the quote that was given as well. The next top tip, ask lots of questions. Most of the time when you have a quote for build works, the builder will come to your property and everything is done in your home, so you're not going to a physical location that is to do with the builder. So make sure you're asking questions about the process, about how they work, and these are really important questions so you fully understand the company you're working with as well. My last final tip is to make sure you get along with the builder you choose. Now this may seem like an obvious thing, but the reality is that these builders could be in your property for anything from a few weeks to a few months to a year if you're having major works. So it's really important that you can get along with this builder and with their team, because you're going to be spending a lot of time together. That's all my top tips for choosing a builder for your project. If you've got any questions relating to having building works done as part of a kitchen project, don't forget to pop in and see us in the showroom. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.